A business insider has said that China's economic growth will bring broad prospects for China-Poland business cooperation.
As you know, Poland and China, we have strategic relations. And so this is very important in B2B relations between Polish entrepreneurs, Chinese entrepreneurs, both businesses. The Chinese market, Chinese economy is growing up rapidly. The same is in our country. So, in my opinion, this is the best time to refresh our relations after the pandemic time, to start again working together to make Chinese and Polish economy great. I see the potential from both sides to develop and to build not only stronger relations, but do a business together.